In today's video, guys, we're going to show you how we made this amazing powerhouse oil for hair growth using aloe vera and fenugreek. I'll also show you how to apply, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Go ahead, get your aloe vera plant. You want to make sure you wash it, remove the sides. Then you're going to make it in smaller pieces, or you can dice them, you can slice them, make it as thin as possible. Now we can use aloe vera for lots of things. I have done DIYs and I'll link some for you that I've used aloe vera, do my own leave-in conditioner. I have done my own treatment with aloe vera before. Going with your favorite oil, today I'm using extra virgin olive oil and also Jamaican black castor oil. We are also using the double boiling method. So place your water on the stove. When it comes to a boil, you're going to add the container. I also went in with some fenugreek seed. A small amount goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot. Once the color has changed like this, you know it is ready. Place it to cool, and then you're going to transfer this to your mason jar. Now, once you have transferred it to your mason jar, you want to store it for about 3 days. I actually stored mine for 7 days. I really didn't have the time, and it was still okay. Once it is done, you will know, because the color would be looking something like this. Once this is done, you're going to go in with your whatever you have, your cheesecloth, your strainer. Today I'm using a stocking. And you're going to strain it because you don't want anything to be in your ear outside of the oil. Once this is done, you're going to place it into your applicator bottle. Why applicator bottle? It makes it easier to apply, thus the name applicator bottle. Now we know Jamaican black castor oil helps to encourage growth, and it also thickens your hair. So if your hair is thin, you might want to consider using this. Fenugreek also helps if you have dandruff problem. Consider using fenugreek in your regimen. As I said, a small amount goes a long way, so be mindful of when you are using it. It also helps to thicken your hair as well. So make sure you get your aloe vera, which is your powerhouse. Now you're gonna go in and apply it to the ends of the hair. You're gonna apply it to your hands, and then you're gonna go in and massage that oil in. Power with saying all the way. So as we continue this ear journey, I hope you are on the journey with us. And if you are not yet on the journey, what you're waiting for, it's not too late to start. We're on a hair journey for 2024. We are going to healthy and long hair. So if that's something you're interested in and this is your first time, consider subscribing and follow along. Share with us where you are in your journey. And it's bye for now, guys, until the next one.